Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward tutorial on how to unblock a merchant on the Current app, especially with the latest 2025 updates. If you've ever accidentally blocked a merchant and felt stuck, don't worry. This guide will get you back on track in just a few simple steps. Current is that popular banking app that helps you manage your finances, payments, and more, but sometimes, blocking features can trip us up. Let's jump right in. First, ensure you're logged into your Current app on your smartphone or tablet. If you're not, go ahead and log in now. Once you're in, head to your dashboard by tapping the home icon at the bottom of the screen. In the 2025 version, the interface might look a bit refreshed, so look for any new icons or labels. Next, tap the menu button. It's usually in the top corner, represented by 3 lines or a gear icon. This will open up your settings options. Now, scroll down or search for the Security or Blocked Merchants section. Current has made this easier in 2025, so it should be prominently displayed. Once you're there, you'll see a list of blocked merchants. Simply tap on the one you want to unblock. A confirmation prompt will appear. Read it carefully and hit Unblock to proceed. That's all there is to it. Your merchant should now be unblocked, and you can make payments or transactions as usual. Remember, if you run into any issues, double-check for app updates or contact Current support. This process keeps your account secure while giving you control. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.